Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Thank you for coming to watch my video. I love you so much. Today I'm going to show you all how I was able to twist my short natural hair using this kinky extension. So as you can see in this video, my hair is really short. So the first thing I'm going to do is to section my hair this way, and I'm going to use this rubber bands from Coco, and I'm just going to place the rubber bands on my hair for each section that I have made. And I'm going to go in with this Kayama edge control, and this edge control just does the work. It just makes everything stay in one place. It just holds the hair together. And while I do this, I'm going to place a mirror in my front, and there is also another mirror at my back, just so that I can section properly, because without this I might have rough lines here and there, and I don't want that today. So I'm going to section this way, and then I'll go in with the edge control again, which is my gel for today, and I'm just going to place the rubber bands to hold everything in place. And this is what I'm going to do all the way, like throughout on my hair. So once I'm done sectioning, this is the hair extension that I'm going to use, and it's from Expression. So we have about 5 extensions in one. So I'm going to divide one of them like this, because I don't want my hair to be very long, and I'm going to fold it into 2 like this, and then I'm going to divide my hair into 3 legs. So my natural hair will be the 3rd leg. So I'm going to braid it about 3 to 4 times. Once that is done, I'm going to fix my hair into the hair extension just to hide it a little bit, and then I will start twisting. And then when you're twisting, you have to twist outwards and not inwards. So if you're holding the legs of the extension, the 2 legs of the extension, you need to twist outwards, like I'm going to show you guys what I mean by this in this particular video, so that you guys can see. You need to twist both legs of the extension outwards, just so that you can get that twist properly. So from the video, guys, my hair is really short and it is not stretched. I found it a little bit difficult to hide in my natural hair, but at the end of the day, I was able to do something about it. So once you twist and you get to the end of the hair, which is the tail end of the hair, just keep twisting and twisting. Don't be scared, it's not going to unravel. Everything is just going to be intact and in place. So this is what I did all the way in every section. So the first thing I did before applying the extension on my hair, which is before twisting, I went on to remove the rubber band. Thereafter, I folded the hair extension into 2 and then placed it on my head, the section that I had already made, and then I made my own section, the 3rd leg, and then the hair extension, the 2nd and the 1st. So once you remove your rubber band, make sure that you apply your Eco Styling Gel just so that your hair is sleek and nice. And for this particular video, I used only one hair extension. Now if you want your hair to be really full, because mine was quite scanty, because that was what I actually wanted. If you want your hair to be really full, that means you need to go in with about 2 bundles or so, but for me I just used 1 bundle and I was okay with it. So if you want it to be really full, go in with 2 or 3 bundles and you're good to go. Why I so much love this particular hairstyle is because it's a very nice protective hairstyle for natural hair lovers. I loved every bit of this particular hair that I made on myself. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video until it's necessary for me to come back again. But before that, when you're twisting, make sure that your twist is not too tight. And then once you're done twisting again, this hair usually has its own form. Once you're done twisting, everything just releases itself a little bit, so it's usually not as tight anymore like when you started gripping and twisting. So make sure that you don't make your twists too tight, just so that everything comes out nice and beautiful. Another technique that I used was to divide my hair into 3 like this, and then I just went in with the hair extension the way that I have been using it. So my hair, I divided it into 3 legs like this and then just started braiding. I used this because at some point I discovered that the section that I made was quite big for the hair extension to come in, so I had to divide my hair into 3 legs. So you can use that technique, whatever technique works for you. So many other hairstylists have their own techniques, but whatever technique works for you, as long as the end result is the same, you are good to go. So this is basically it, guys. Once I was done styling the hair, I had to trim the ends a little bit just so that it would look neater and really beautiful. So I went in with scissors and then just trimmed the ends of the hair a little bit. At this point, I had to go in with my Cantu Curl Activator just so that the hair will be properly laid and it will look really curled and neat. So I had to go in with my Cantu Curl Activator. But if you have a mousse, why not just go in with a mousse, whatever works for you. So once that was done, I laid my edges and I slayed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Don't also forget to comment in the comment section if this video has helped you in any way at all. I'm going to link some of my previous videos to this one so that you guys can see. So these were the ways that I styled my hair. Once I was done, I was loving every bit of it. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.